Hi guys, and welcome back to Chanda's Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making this super delicious pumpkin pie. And here are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. 1 can of pumpkin, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, brown sugar, salt, pumpkin pie spice, vanilla extract, cornstarch, cinnamon. Now here I'm just getting this mixed up really well. And now I'm going to get my eggs added into my mixture and just get those eggs mixed in as well. And here's our homemade pie crust. We're just going to get our mixture added into our pie crust. And this is what it should look like. And here I'm just getting my pie added onto a pan, and we're going to get that into the oven. And we're going to bake this for 15 minutes at 425. We're going to get our oven dropped down to 350 and bake that for 50 minutes. And this is what your pie should look like once it's come out and cooled completely. Thanks you guys for joining me again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it.